All right, today I'm back in the kitchen again. This time I got turkey bacon. I got some tomatoes. I got some eggs ready to beat it up. And of course, I gotta have that Food Line real mayonnaise. I'm trying to already got it in progress. I like my bread toasted. I don't like that black, but I like it toasted. And flip that joker. And don't burn the hell out of that. Anyway, I gotta have my bread toasted. I don't know if anybody else like to have theirs like that, but that's how I gotta have mine. I let that bacon sit there and crisp. That's turkey bacon. I don't eat pork. Eat the turkey bacon. And the turkey bacon, it's alright. It's hard to get that turkey bacon like pork. I mean, I don't miss it, but that turkey bacon it be so damn soft. You gotta let it cook for a long time to get a little crispy. But I just don't like that pork no more. I don't eat no pork. I don't eat no swine. No swine. And I feel so divine for not eating swine. I'll let that turkey bacon cook like that for a little while. Go ahead and put my tomatoes on here. Tomatoes on there and get that. Gotta have that Food Line mayo. If you get a Food Line mayo, just don't get nothing. Gotta keep it gangster. Gotta keep it cheap. Trying to spread with one hand. What gave me the idea? I seen it. Look at that. I saw that sandwich right there, the BLT. That's what I'm gonna do that with, but I'm gonna do it with egg. And don't get grossed out because I got mayo and egg. I mean, mayo and eggs. You're gonna be all right. You're gonna be all right. I'll drop the egg on and let the egg cook. And I wanted cheese. I ain't had no cheese. I gotta take a grocery store run. Gotta do a grocery store run. I had beat that egg up already. I'm letting that joker sit there and cook a little bit. And I'm gonna flip it. I don't really want no flat egg, but I don't really want it scrambled neither. Anybody in the comments you want to see me cook some of this griddle? Just write some in the comment, and I'll do it. But keep in mind, ain't no pork, ain't no beef. Yeah, it gonna be right. Yeah, it gonna be right. I'm gonna put some tomatoes on that mayo. Yeah, you don't want to act right when y'all watching it. You don't want to act right. Bacon, lost a piece of my bacon. Y'all closer up view of that. It's bacon and egg. Bacon and egg and tomato. Bacon and egg and tomato. Get my fault. But act right ignorant. Don't want to get on the thing. Don't act right ignorant. Act right ignorant. Give y'all a closer look on the egg. Look at that egg. Close look. And there's some $6 eggs right there too. They made the cheap eggs and the $6 eggs. Don't get it twisted. No food stamp. I get this bacon more, man. turkey bacon. It's gonna be tough. That's a piece right there. It's hard to do with one hand. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna show off. She looks shiny though, don't it? Make it look shiny. I can put mine on there like that. It's a little crispy. Got a little crispy. Slap them tomatoes and mayo on there. She'll put some mustard on it. I don't know. It might be alright to go like that. Cut that joke in half. That damn turkey bacon, that's some tough stuff right there. I don't know the hell that made. It made out of duct tape, I guess. That's some tough ass bacon. They don't even want to cut. I had to put a little pressure with that. Yeah, that's finished product. Toast, mayo, tomato, bacon, eggs. And remember, none of this would be possible without Food Line Mayo.